Hey guys! So, my Ipsy bag came in. I actually have not been getting these for the past few months due to buying the house and, cutting costs where I could, but I'm back in the Ipsy train. And I want to see how this goes because I like Ipsy. So, let's crack this bag open and see what we got. Alright, I see dusty pink so far and sheet mask. Yes! I love this brand of sheet mask, so I'm not even showing you the bag yet because yes! Okay, so these are the BioBell sheet masks. They actually sell these at Ulta, and I'm gonna be honest with you, they're expensive, but oh my god, they're so good. So I got two of the primer ones, which I haven't tried yet, but I am definitely intrigued. All I know is, for the most part, I just love their masks, so primer or not, I'm going to use these. But these ones have tea tree oil, rosehip extract, and vitamin C. Enhances radiance, minimizes pores, even skin tones. So prep the skin for a flawless makeup application. Yes! I honestly cannot wait to try these because I love this brand of sheet masks, and I mean, hell, if this is what I'm supposed to wear in the morning before my makeup, we can definitely give that a try and see if my makeup doesn't melt off my face. I've done sheet masks before makeup before and didn't always have the best results, but this one is meant to be a primer. Or I might just wear it on my no makeup days, which is almost every day, and just radiate radiance. Yeah. This is this month's bag. It's so cute. It's like a dusty pink with this black lace. It's kind of sexy. Yes. All right, let's crack this bad boy open. Aw, it's got the little Ipsy thing on there. That's so cute. Okay, so the first thing I see on the top, ooh, is an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick, and it's called Ipsy Unzipped. Nice. This looks like a fabulous pink. So let's see. There we go. Ooh, it's a fabulous like mauve-y pink. Oh, that is right up my alley. It's like a berry mauve tone. Oh, yes. Yes, look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I am mad at it. I am mad at it. Okay. Next thing I see is a Luxie brush. It is a double-ended one, which on double-ended ones, but you know what? I actually have a whole bunch in my little pile you can see here, but I've got a whole bunch of my double-ended ones actually just like laying right here, and it does seem to work out pretty well. But we've got a flat shader brush on one side. This is actually a good concealer style brush if you are trying to get like really precise in there with your wing. Yeah, good. And then a nice fluffy blending brush, yes, and they're super soft. I really like Luxie brushes, and they are so pretty and cute. So I'm actually pretty happy about this. All right. Ooh, what's this? Bang Beauty. Yeah, Bang. Okay, so this is a Bang Beauty blush in the shade Smoked Peach. All right, let's see. Whoa. Oh, you know what this looks like? This looks like NARS Orgasm or like the Milani one. The Milani blush in Bella Bellini. Like, I bet they look the same. Oh, yes. All right. Oh, yeah, that's pigmented. All right, now this one is the Milani one. Okay, so they're a little bit different. The Bang one is on the top, and it's a bit more peachy, actually. And the Milani one is on the bottom and a bit more pinky. Actually, a bit more pinky gold. This is super soft and obviously super pigmented. Look at that. That's gorgeous, and honestly, I love shades like this. And I also love the fact that they are pretty universal. If I use a light hand, I can totally wear this. And if you have a darker complexion, oh, beautiful on darker complexion. Let's try this out, shall we? All right, just gonna pat in there. Yes. Oh, that's pretty. Not that I'm not already wearing blush, but whew, That was a bit intense. Let's even that out a little bit. And my dog found the squeak toy. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I like that. Oh, and then we have this one's card. So cute. All right. And what is this? Something in bubble wrap. Okay, so we have Pacifica, which, like, great brand, Pacifica. Beach crystals, natural mineral eyeshadows, vegan and cruelty free. Yay, cruelty free. Okay, not gonna lie, this holographic gets me every time. Like, I want everything with this holographic. Everything. All right. So this is what we're looking at here. That's actually really pretty. We've got like some coppers and some bronzes, and it looks like a kind of taupey purple and a purple and a lavender. So let's get into this and get some swatches. All right. Oh, not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's not bad. Oh, I'm actually kind of impressed. They're a little bit more on the pastel side, and they kind of look that way in the pan anyway, but these are pigmented and pretty. I am not mad at that. That is actually really pretty, Pacifica. Good job. I can't wait to see how these perform on the eyes. And that was everything that came in this month's Ipsy bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye!
What is this? Let me see if I can find it. That's not it. Well, that was anticlimactic. There we go. Or the Milani blush. Or the Milani blush in Baked Bellini. Or Bella. The Milani blush in Baked Bellini. Not baked. Let's. Where's my brush? What the heck? There it is. Come out of your packaging. What is this? Super tape? And according to the packaging, Pacifica is available at Ulta. So, if you're wondering where to get this, apparently Ulta. Holy Toledo! Alright, we got it. We got it. Ooh! Ah, more tape!
Oh, hi! It's me again. I missed you. You remember me, right? I'm not only there,